Welcome to Mac OS X, and in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a folder in your Mac operating system and how to zip a folder in your Mac operating system. So if you want to create a folder in your Mac operating system, all you have to do is double click on your mouse, and then you're going to see that you have a few options here: new folder, get info, cleanup, etc. So I'm going to click on new folder, and you're going to notice that a new folder is going to come up. So I'll be able to title this folder whatever I want. So I can just, if I'm not able to rename it, I can right click on the folder, scroll down to rename, and I can rename the folder whatever I want. In this case, I'm going to name it assignment one. I now have a new folder that I just created called assignment one. However, if I would like to zip this folder, I could right click on it and I can go down to compress assignment one. When I click on compress assignment one, you will notice that I have now what's known as a zip folder that's been created. And you'll notice that it's zipped because there's this little zip that is inside of it over here. If I double click in it, the folder will need to be unzipped. So I'll actually need some kind of, Mac has the built-in application for it already. And you'll notice that the folder will come out and I can double click inside of it and zip it. The benefits of zipping a folder are twofold. One, you get to compress whatever file is in the folder, so you can actually utilize, you can add more files inside of the folder. Two, it allows you to distribute and share the folder more easily because it will upload and allow you to email the folder that much faster. So thank you for watching how to create and zip a folder with the Mac operating system.